Are you looking for a professional, experienced plastic surgeon who puts you first, each and every time? Someone who takes your budget and unique needs into consideration without question. If you've turned the internet upside down on your search for a seasoned, quality plastic surgeon, you'll know that this struggle is real. But you should also know that the search stops right here. We understand that plastic surgery can be life-changing and want to make your experience as smooth and seamless as possible. Our humble yet committed team puts your safety first, keeping things simple for your satisfaction. Your happiness is our prowess, and we won't stop until your every expectation is exceeded with resounding success. We could talk all day, but we'd much rather get started on turning your goals into vibrant reality. Pick up the phone and give us a call now and join our growing family of beaming customers today.